If you are making any of these video editing mistakes, it could be costing you lots of time or views on your videos. Let's dive in and talk about 8 video editing mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Hey guys, welcome back to another video training episode. My name is Rachel and I'm here to help you with all the technical stuff so you can get your message out into the world using video. The first video editing mistake beginners make actually starts in the filming process, and that is filming without a plan. What is the purpose of your video? Filming with the edit in mind will help you to ensure you get all of the necessary shots to tell the story. If you jump in without a plan for how you want your video to unfold, you could get to the edit and realize you can't tie all your clips together in a logical way. You don't have to create a full script to record your videos if you don't want to. A rough outline is all you need to set yourself up for success and avoid a lot of frustration in the edit. Secondly, getting carried away with the details before you've assembled the content. Don't worry about color correction, effects, or transitions before you have all of your content laid out. You don't want to spend a lot of time on the pretty stuff only to realize you have to reshoot or you don't have enough shots to finish your video. Or you might put a lot of effort into putting effects and transitions on a sequence of footage that doesn't end up making the final cut. Get the content right first, then focus on the look of your video. Number 3, bad file management. This might sound like a really basic tip, but I stress its importance because I have seen a lot of shocking file structures. Sorry, I need a minute. It is so important to set up a proper file structure for your video projects. So often files get lost or unlinked from a project because they were left in the downloads folder or on the desktop or in a completely unrelated place to the project file itself, never to be seen again. I usually work with quite a large number of files in my video projects, so I separate them into 6 groups. Admin, for any notes or scripts, project files, clips, audio, graphics, and output, where all the exported files are saved. Every file that contributes to the project is saved under an umbrella folder with the project name so it can be moved or copied and nothing is ever misplaced. Number 4, not learning keyboard shortcuts. You can save so much time by learning keyboard shortcuts for your most used tools. Investing a bit of time in following along with some tutorials and getting to know the program you're using will really help the speed of your edit in the long run. You can even make your own keyboard shortcuts to personalize your workflow even further and have all your favorite tools literally at your fingertips. Number 5, not keeping drafts. Editing can sometimes be like cutting hair. It's easy to take away. It's not so easy to put back if you cut too much. Unlike the days of working with tape, we can simply hit undo if we make a mistake. But a great habit to get into is keeping multiple versions or multiple drafts of your video in case you want to take a step back to what you had before. My workflow usually consists of an assembly timeline where I keep all of the usable interview or piece de camera footage, which I then duplicate to create draft 1, where I start to get more specific on the direction of the video. Here, I cut out anything I know I won't use. Then I duplicate this sequence to make a draft 2, where I really start to narrow down the essence of the video, and you can see where this is leading to. At any stage, if I change my mind, I can go back to the previous draft and draw any footage I need from there. Number 6, not saving often enough. My autosave is set to 5 minutes. You may think this is overkill, or you may think that 5 minutes isn't often enough. But either way, trust me when I say it is better to be safe than sorry when it comes to saving your video projects. Number 7, over editing. Using too many cuts or transitions can really make your video overwhelming and off-putting. Quite often, less is more when it comes to editing. Master the basics first and work your way up from there. Number 8, using the wrong music or having it too loud so you can't hear the voiceover. Music should drive the emotion you want your audience to feel when they watch your video. Choosing the wrong music can make your viewers uncomfortable or switch off from what your video is about. Your music should complement the feel of the video and help to draw your audience into your message. It should also be at a much lower level than your voiceover audio, so your audience has no trouble hearing and understanding what you have to say. So there you have it, 8 mistakes beginner video editors make. Tell me in the comments if you have ever done any of these and what happened. Make sure you subscribe for more video tips and techniques, and I'll see you in the next video.